Lillian here. I haven't done a live in a very long time, so I thought I'd jump on today. You might have seen a few of my videos already in the last week or so. I've had to put my business on hold this year, like many of us. We've had to do quite a few changes here and there, so I'm back on because my little one is now back at school full time, and yeah, I can really push my business forward again, which is great. So yeah, for those who don't know me, yes, Jen Lillian, and I've been a business owner since 2012. I've set up and run 4 indoor cycling studios. I had my first 2 out in Shanghai, China from 2012, and then I sold those 2 and came back to the UK 2014 to start my family, and had another 2 studios, indoor cycling studios in Leeds, where I am right now in the UK, and it's a lovely autumnal day. Yeah, so that's all been great, but in 2014 I really did see the power of going online when it came to my marketing, because I was becoming a mum. Oscar was born in 2015, so I couldn't quite physically open up my studios because obviously my life was changing. So I really did learn the power of marketing online for my offline businesses, and I've just been doing that ever since. I'm so passionate about it. I absolutely love it, and I don't actually have any offline businesses anymore. I've gone completely online, so I'm here right now just relaying all the information I've learned along the way. And if you're struggling to have not just leads but high quality leads, this is the thing, because there's a lot of people who can quite easily get you leads, which is awesome, of course, but you need a process in order to qualify your leads into clients that you want coming into your business. So yeah, there's a system that I've created, and that most people who are successful online have created themselves as well. It's a step-by-step process I would like to show you, and I've actually created a 30 video series which goes through exactly what you would need to do if you're wanting your life back. If you are, for example, sick and tired of doing traditional marketing methods like word of mouth, joint ventures, going to all the networking events that you can. Hi Katie, how are you? And what else was I doing a few years ago? You know, just the common things that most people would do naturally when they've got their offline business. But once you've put the work in and you've built a system, it does all the heavy lifting for you. And I've been burnt out by business before, and it's not a pretty place to be. We all need a system. Like with anything that works successfully in life, it's all about operating something that works. But you need to obviously figure out the nuts and bolts first, and that's what I want, well, that's what my program I've created is actually all about. To give you an insight as to what you need to do. You do need to build things like landing pages online. You need to create an offer. You need to know exactly who you're talking to, what they want, what their desires are. There's a lot of things that you need to obviously iron out when it comes to building the machine. And it's taken me a while to get here to where I am today. I've invested in many programs myself over the years, and it can be a bit of a minefield. So if you're sitting there thinking, I know I need to do this online thing when it comes to generating leads and clients into my business, but you have absolutely nowhere to start, because I completely get it. It is a little bit of a minefield, as mentioned, and that's what this program I've created is all about. So I have a free version, and I've also got a paid version, but it's in the beta stage. So I've got this training, first one today, and it basically outlines the whole of the process. It's from the landing pages, from the application process you would put your prospects through in order to qualify them, to then speak to them on the phone, depending on your service. Obviously you and I can have a chat depending on what business that you run, and yeah, obviously you need to drive your system once you've got it all in place, and I'm here to help you with Facebook advertising. If that's what you've tried before and you've given up, I know I first tried it about 2014, and yeah, did about a year, and it didn't really work well because I just didn't know too much then, but obviously I've learned a lot since 2014. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm offering you today. So if you're a coach, offline or online. I do personally like helping people more so in the health and fitness space, just because naturally that's my background, running those 4 indoor cycling studios. But if you are just an online coach of any background, I could help. But I am looking for beta testers. If you are wanting to, you know, invest into my my pre-program before it goes, you know, for that classic $997. I don't think I'll be charging that $997 that you always see around for my program, but it's going to be very premium once I've got all the feedback from you awesome guys to help me build the program together. So I want it to be the best, but I'm here to help. Anyway, the free training is at 2 o'clock today. I'm going to go through this 30 video series that I've got. It's completely free, so you can actually just take away all that information from that video series and go off and implement it into your business. Every week I will be referring to that free video series, and you can actually, with me, with my help every week, implement it into your business. If you want fast results, obviously I've got that beta version, the paid version. It's only £197 right now for 1 month of coaching from me to help you accelerate building a system quicker. I actually offer a guarantee as well. This is where I'm at, guys, early doors when it comes to these beta versions of these programs. And then yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. Feel free to join the Quality Client Generation Facebook group that I've got. The link is in the description box below, and if you've got any questions along the way, then please let me know. But I'm here to help, guys, because even though I've had great success in business offline before, more so in China, it didn't quite work out for me so much in England. I couldn't quite mirror my success in England as much as what I did in China, and that's because I was paying marketers at the time who unfortunately didn't deliver the results. We were too late in the day, as an analogy there. I didn't basically put the right system in place, and unfortunately, yeah, I've had some hard times with business, but I've also had some amazing highs as well. So I've got a lot to offer people. I always suggest learn from people who've been through the trenches before, and I've certainly been there. I've certainly invested into programs, hasn't got me the results. I've also set up businesses before who've, you know, it's been amazing, awesome experiences, made loads of money. Ups and downs, highs and lows, like life in general, right? So I'll leave that with you. Hopefully I'll see you on the training at 2 o'clock. The link's below. Any questions, I'm always here for you. But don't be struggling if you are struggling with getting quality leads and clients into your business, because at the end of the day, you've set up your business for a reason, to help people, to serve people, whatever it is that you do. We're not also in the game to become great marketers either. But if you are in a position to learn what you need to learn, then it's definitely worth your while. It is time investment up front. I do have a normal program if you wanted me to do everything for you, but that's for another chat. But just don't go it alone, because it's been quite heartbreaking, especially this year, knowing a few of my friends who have set up you know, health and fitness businesses and who've had to close down. It's been tough, and this is really my way of paying back as well in that regard. So anyway, hopefully I will see you at 2 o'clock. Bye.